Caution before assembly. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix A to B with 4 screws G. Fix the foot pad to the bottom of frame A and B. Or you can also use felled pad on the bottom of frame A and B. Fix C to frame A and B with 6 screws F. Before fixing the mounting plate to the connector, you can choose the correct mounting plate in this way. Fix D to K with 2 screws F. Insert M to K. Fix M to K with 5 screws F. Insert M to L. Fix M to L with 5 screws F. Fix E to L with 5 screws F. Fix D to A with 3 screws F. Fix E to B with 3 screws F. Fix D and E to the frame A and B with 6 screws F. Put the 3 cushions N on the flat surface. Fix the 3 cushions N to F and G with 12 screws J.